children, second question. Find the area of the following circles. Radius is given. First question radius is given. Second question diameter. Again C question it is radius. Okay. So let us solve first two problems and third question you can do alone. Okay. So take pi value as 22/7. What is the formula of area of the circle? Pi r square. So, area of the circle equal to pi r square. Pi value 22/7. R is given as what? 14 millimeters. So, 14 into 14. 7 and 14 is getting cancelled. 7 and 14 is getting cancelled. Now, 2. So, 22 into 2 into 14. When you are multiplying, you will get the answer as 616 millimeters square. Now, next problem, that is diameter is given as 49. Radius is what? 49/2. Okay. So, diameter equal to 49 meter. Then radius equal to 49/2. That is equal to 24.5 meter. Area of the circle. Pi r square. Now, pi value 22/7 into radius 24.5 into 24.5. So, already once we have done cancelling 24.5 divided by 7 once we have done before. Same way when you are doing, you are getting the answer as 3.5. Okay, 7 and 24.5 when you are cancelling, you will get 3.5 once we have done. So, 22 into 3.5 into 24.5, that is equal to 1886.5 meter square. Okay, 1886.5 meter square is the area. Now, third question you can do it by yourself. Same way you will do. That is 22/7 into 5 into 5 you will do. Okay, children. Now, we will go to the next problem. Now, children, third question. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter. Children, circumference of the circular sheet, that is perimeter of the circle or circumference of the circular sheet is 154 meter. Okay, find its radius. You should find the radius r. Okay, also find the area of the sheet. You should find the area of this circular sheet also. So, what all things you should find? Radius you should find. After finding the radius, you should find the area of the sheet also. Okay, and pi value is given as 22/7. Okay, now let us start the solution part. Circumference of the circular sheet is given as 154 meter. So, you know the formula is 2 pi r. We did it now. 2 pi r equal to 154. Answer is given. Circumference we know. So, we have written as 2 pi r equal to 154. Okay. So, now itself we will substitute, children. That is 2 pi r equal to 154. So, 2 into pi value what? 22/7 into r we don't know, that is equal to 154. Okay, these calculation part you can check the module and write, children. So now 7 will go to the numerator, right, and this both 2 and 22 will go to the denominator part. So how it will be? R is equal to 7 will go to the numerator. So 154 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. Okay, this is coming to the denominator. Got it? Now you will find the value of r like this. Okay, so how to do? So this both are 154 and 2 can be cancelled, right? So 2 sevens are 14, 1 balance 14 again, 2 sevens are 14. So what will go? Here 77, here 22. So with what you can cancel? You can cancel it with 11. So what? 11 sevens are. Okay, here 11 twos are. So what will be the final answer? 7 into 7 divided by 2. 7 into 7 divided by 2. Okay, so we will cancel all this and we'll do 7 into 7 divided by 2. Okay, note down in your notebook. We'll do it again. So that is 7 into 7 divided by 2. That is equal to 49 by 2. This one we will divide and check. Okay, so 49 divided by 2 means 2 2s are 4. Then 9 is down. Then 2 4s are 8. 1 balance. It will not go. Put a point 5. Sorry, you put a point 0. 2 5s are 10. Okay, I'm not writing it. Okay, so the answer is 24.5. Got it how to do? So this is how you are getting the answer, children. Here 24.5 meter you are getting the radius. Now what you should do? You should find the area. After getting the radius, you should find the area. Area's formula what? Pi r square. Area's formula pi r square. So let us do that. Area is equal to pi r square. Okay, pi value you are taking it as 22 by 7 into radius. How much you got? 24.5. So 24.5 into 24.5. Okay, now let us cancel it. Then we can do this again. Okay, so 24.5 you can divide by 7. So 24.5 you are dividing by 7. 7 3s are 21. 3 balance. So decimal point is there. So you are putting a point. 5 down. 7 5s are 35. Got it? So you are cancelling this and writing it as 3.5. You are writing it as 3.5. Okay. In the next step, we will continue. Okay. So, you are getting the answer as 22 into 3.5 into 24.5. This is the final answer you are getting. So, when you are multiplying all this, you will just multiply 22 into 35 into 245. You will write the answer and you will put the decimal points, that is 2 places decimal point is there, that you will take and put. So you will get the answer as 1886.5 meter square. This is simple multiplication only, children. You can multiply 22 into 35 into 245 and 2 decimal places are there, that the point you can take it and put. Okay, children. This is the final answer. Here is it. Okay, 1886.5 meter square is the area of the circle. Now we will go to the next question.